Hello, lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. How have you been doing? I'm going to introduce something new today, and it's going to be a transformation of our channel. So get ready as we begin. To So Smarter with Ruke. That's going to be the new name for the channel. Here, I will show fashion designers how to use AI tools to develop ideas, visualize garments, create their styles. If you use the AI tools, bring your idea to life, and also assist you in your creative process. That is what I'm here for. How to learn how to use these tools and how to use it very well. And this isn't just for fashion designers. I'm also going to create content for makeup artists. Makeup artists can use AI to plan creative looks, explore colors, and show clients different ideas before the appointment or their appointment. And that's not all. Photographers can also use AI to plan shoots, create mood boards, test lightings, ideas, improve how to present their work to their clients. Now, for my sewists and fashion designers or clothing brand owners, this can help you to plan collections, present options to customers, and create better content for their business. In this channel, if you have a skill and something that you want me to talk about on how to use AI tool for your specific niche or field, you are welcome to drop a comment in the comment section of this video to let me know the kind of tool you want to use or the kind of skill you have. We'll be able to create ideas in order to help you communicate your idea clearly and work efficiently in your field. Okay, now I'm going to talk about the benefits of using AI and why this channel, this new phase of our channel, So Smarter with Ruke, will help you, and why I would advise you to share, like, and subscribe to our channel. AI can help fashion designers present their work professionally, create better content, attract clients, and become more visible. AI can help you save time, explore more ideas, visualize design clearly, and communicate better with clients. We will learn how to use ChatGPT, Google Flow, and other tools throughout your fashion design process. Let's talk about editing. You're going to learn how to use AI, improve your fashion image, clean the backgrounds, enhance lighting, create professional content using these tools. Let's talk about you as a sketch artist. We will turn your simple fashion sketch into realistic visuals that help you understand and present your ideas. Let's not forget exploring colors and fabrics. AI can help you test colors, fabrics, prints, design variation before cutting your materials. It can also help you create product image, social media content, promotional videos, and fashion videos for your brand. AI is not here to replace your creativity or your sewing knowledge. You remain the designer while AI help you work smarter. That's the goal of AI. For developing ideas, for creating visuals, editing images, presenting to your clients, and marketing our work, we can do so much with these tools. So that is where So Smarter with Ruke comes in. This channel will show you practical ways to combine AI tools with real fashion knowledge so you can create more and present better and work smarter. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Join me here on So Smarter with Ruke as we explore the tools we can use to be smart using AI. Have a lovely day. Bye, lovelies.